Aloha everyone, my name is Kyra Santos and I'm an independent consultant with Paparazzi Accessories. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So if you are new to this channel and haven't subscribed yet, please click on that subscribe button and don't forget to turn that notification bell on so you know when I post the next video. So today's video is going to be what surprises I got from Paparazzi Accessories. So if you haven't watched my 10th happy birthday to Paparazzi Accessories, on January 8th we made 10 years. So they gave surprises in everybody's order that placed an order of $100 or more. So I'm curious as to what I actually got for my paparazzi surprises. Now, if you place an order of $100 or more, you do have the opportunity to get a silver ticket as well. So I'm gonna see if I got that silver ticket and I'm gonna open up those boxes for you. So only 10 silver tickets were given out in 10 different orders. So let's see if I actually got it. So let's open this box together. So I got my trusted box cutter. And let's see if this is the first box that has it. Remember, always cut away from you. There. The cool thing is that we'll actually get party surprises. So we'll get something out of this. All right. Ooh, I'm excited. Always close your box cutter after you're done. And let's just see what we got. Are you folks excited with me? Ooh, they gave me double wrapping. Ooh, I love this Z piece that I got, the Regal one with the big pearls. Okay. Did I get the silver ticket? Let me look really good. No silver ticket in this one. Ooh, but I did get this cute hostess reward. I love that copper one with the budded flowers. I think it's called like budding or something like that. So let's check out the box as to what we got. Here are the contents. So it looks like we got all my Z pieces. You can see here. Ooh, look at that nice gorgeous blue one. It's so deep blue like that. Pretty. Gold and bling. So this is the Budding Beauty. That's a cute copper necklace that I actually got as a hostess reward. No silver ticket, but we did get a birthday surprise, a glass cleaner and a cloth, Paparazzi branded, so woohoo! Let's open up box 2. So here we go, box cutter action. Come on, silver ticket, silver ticket. Let's see what we got. I'm gonna open it live with you folks. You just never know, right? So this is how the beautiful packing is for Paparazzi. It comes with your bill, so you know you can keep these receipts for tax purposes. Your beautiful wrapping. Oh, I got socks! Woohoo! Ooh, they're cute pink socks. This is my birthday surprise. And it's these cute pink, Paparazzi pink socks. Striped ones. Oh, I was able to score these cute cat hair pieces right there. Oh, I love those. Those are so cute. I'm just going to search the box just in case. Look at these red hoops. They look like wood. They are wood. Cute wooden pieces. I love wood. Oh my gosh, look at that. That's acrylic right there. It's a cuff bracelet. A lot of cute stuff. Look at these earrings. Isn't that a gorgeous pink right there? This is more like a mauve color. Big hoops in silver. Okay, I'm opening my box with you, but I want to just see my orange crackle. I love that. Love that one in the blue too. This is that big one that they had for one of the life of the party pieces. Okay, let's just dump her out to see if we got it. Let's just see if we got it. Ooh, that's a cute one. Gold heart bracelet right there. Let's see. No silver ticket. I don't see anything. No silver ticket. No silver ticket. That's okay. We did get this hostess rewards though. 5 free pieces right here. Ooh, this is a nice orange wooden necklace. I'm trying to think of what my next award will be given out. Ooh, perfect for Valentine's Day. We've got another heart necklace right there in copper. cute stuff. Ooh, first time seeing this one. Going for grounded in a multi earring. Look how colorful this one is. I love that they give free hostess rewards. That is so colorful. Like that's like yellow, red, like a nice orange, a bluish. You got some white right there. Look how colorful that is. I'm a multicolor gal. I'll actually rock anything, but isn't that cute? Well, no silver. I don't even remember ordering this. Wildly Wildflower. I'm literally opening up a box with you folks. But no silver ticket, but we got some cute pink striped socks. Look how cute this ring is. Isn't that cute? She is just gorgeous. That's actually a red, and it looks like a sunflower. Cute, cute, cute. Well, no silver ticket, but we did get some cute paparazzi gifts of the glass cleaner and the cloth, and then along with this striped pink socks. So thank you, paparazzi. Now, if you folks enjoy my videos, please give it a like and a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn that notification bell on so you know when I post the next video. If you're interested in joining the Shine with Aloha team, rocking your business in paparazzi accessories, earning these great rewards, shopping at the wholesale price of $2.75, please contact me. You can reach me here at shinewithaloha@gmail.com, or I'm on Facebook at Shine with Aloha, or Instagram at shinewithaloha808. I love my goodies and my bling bling that I actually got. So be blessed, and don't forget to let God's light and love shine through you. Aloha.